Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a fabulous day. So far, so good over this way. I made this bracelet this morning and I want to show you how to do it. This is so pretty. I'm using some teardrop pearls. I've got some gold beads. I've got a clasp. I've got jump rings, and these jump rings are twisted jump rings. I've got some clamshells and I need 2 crimps, and I also have an extension chain. And then for tools, I'll need some scissors, my flat pliers, and my chain nose pliers. So let's get started. I want to show you how to make this. And I forgot to tell you what stringy material I'm using. I'm using S-lon, and I'm using the white thread. I'm going to measure out 13 inches of this. Cut that. And then what I'm going to do is get one of my crimps, my crimp bead. I'm going to put that through. I'm going to come to the middle of my thread. I'm going to put both of my threads right through the middle of the clamshell. Pull this down. And my crimp bead should be right in the middle. I'm going to take my chain nose pliers and pinch my crimp together. Then I'm going to take my flat pliers and pinch the clamshell together. I can start stringing. So first I'm going to put both of my threads through a gold bead. So I'm going to go through the gold bead. Then I'm going to take my thread, and on each side I'm going to do a bead, pearl, and a bead. Do the same for the other side. My thread together, I'm going to put on another gold bead with both of my threads going through the bead. And pushing it down. So you'll have something that looks like this. Let me show you again how to do this. After I've got my gold bead in the center, I'm going to go bead, pearl, bead. Do the same on the other side. Then I'm going to go ahead and put another gold bead. through both of my threads. So what I need here is I need 6 sections of the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this, and then I'll meet you back here. So I have my 10 sections completed, and it brings me up to about, on the ruler, 6 inches. But with the 2 jump rings and the clasp and another clamshell on this side, it's going to bring me up to about 7 inches. So once I have my last bead on, I'm going to go ahead and put my clamshell on first. I'm going to open this up a little bit wider. I'm going to come right into the middle with both of my threads. Bring this down, then I'm going to add my crimp. Okay, I'm going to check my placement of all my beads, make sure that's good. Then I'm going to go ahead and crimp my bead. I'm just using my chain nose pliers for this. Just pinch it down. I cut the extra thread off. Using my flat pliers, I'm going to pinch my clamshell together. So let me give it a little start here. And now pinch it together. I'm going to make sure that this is closed, so I'm going to use my round pliers and just roll it until the loop is closed. And I'll do that on both sides. Okay, I'm going to open up my jump rings. These are twisted jump rings. Open this up. I'm going to add my extension chain and my clamshell and close this down. Then on this side, I'm going to open up my jump ring. I'm going to add my clamshell and my clasp and close this down. And there you have it, super sweet. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.